Frustrated by the Windows Update API DLL software error message? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows architecture specialist, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your Windows environment. While preparing the manual steps for Windows Update API, check for an official tool to assist with background synchronization. This is the Windows Update API, the primary interface for the Windows Update service. It allows scripts and applications to search for, download, and install system patches. If missing, the Windows Update settings page will crash or display a service not running error, preventing the system from receiving security updates. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. This problem affects a core Windows DLL. Start command prompt with administrator rights and run sfc/scan now so Windows can verify and restore system files such as Windows Update API. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Windows Update API. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Be aware that manual interventions for Windows Update API DLL often create secondary conflicts. Using an incorrect file version can cause cascading application crashes, making your workstation significantly less stable than before. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. The official utility reference below outlines an approach to managing Windows Update API within a Windows library environment. To keep Windows Update API running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.